Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete a TikTok video at your TikTok account. It's a very simple thing to do, but if somehow you forgot it or really don't know how to delete it, then keep watching this full video and after that you will be able to delete your desired video from your TikTok account. So before we starting, if you are new at my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. Now let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your TikTok account. Now tap at your profile. Now page my screen, you can see down the bottom all the videos that you have been uploaded at your TikTok account. Now select the video you want to delete. Now down the bottom you can see three dots, simply tap at them. Now page my screen, you can see bunch of different options, but at down the bottom you can see save video, pin, caption, duet. Now swipe it from right to left until you see a option delete, simply tap at delete. Now page my screen, you can see delete this video. Now tap at delete. After typing delete, your video will be deleted from your TikTok account. Like this, you can easily delete your videos from your TikTok account. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it, share it, and finally don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.